Omukarura katire isinjire katera President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obuchweka 98 n'obuchweka cheka bushatu harigana kandi egombora ya Nyamuyanja niyo yasinjire zindo mukoraje. Bamwe abebembezi bashaba muhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga kubaweraho yakagambira mukuru w'ihanga abizibu ebiri kuteganisa isinjiro ebirumwe nguto hamwe n'amararo.
Trying for the hospital, district hospital, and I'm happy even Honorable Minister Bright Ruamirama, when he hosted His Excellency the President, he asked for that hospital, and in fact, the President promised that hospital.
Government nechimani aitukugambira izo abantu bakuza gukora design yo kushembayo uruguto rwisinye rwabukanga mutukora rakayi
local government ntostinge mpunji ebicheka bibiri omu settlement ya Nakivale n'Orukinga ezikurenge mitwara 28 kandi abataka bitu abo kureba bakike mitwaro 68 nabo.
Retired Lieutenant Moses Mushabe, chairman wa NRM yasima buryomwe ogwakozire ekibasize kuretaho obuhanguzi bwa NRM omuri isinjiro.
Nemwe mukakoro mu munonga structures kakoro mirimo mwebare aba structures mwimitie mukono turi bari. Structures a level zona abariyo structures mwebare munonga.
Honorable Minister Bright Ruamirama yasima abanyisinjiro abo hagizi borekere kibina cya NRM niko kushobora ahabwenshi bashazire mukoro mukorogo
okusinga tukantugendera ar percentage na ne number percentage wetangwe kasinga 99.6 I think. Nyamuyanja yatunga 99.3 kunka kandi yakizarweta ngwe namba.
Oguyayongera yasima mukuru w'ihanga abo kushongerera intunguka omuri isinjiro kurabira omukombeka amashomero hamwe n'amararo.
Ninasima president abo kukunda akagumana ateza ebiri kusasa. Iwaro erwa bagamba horiona karisaba karupa nyira kubahamizangu benarere na vice president na minister wa health.
Retired Major Jessica Lupo muhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga kandi wamujurikira mukoro ogu ariko butumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga yahigabanya isinjiro muringo rugogumwe ogo bahagire mu NRM kugukozesa kurabira mu programs za government kuretaho intunguka omuchanga cyabo.
And we have a part to play in economic transformation of our communities, nations, and regions.
Oguyayongera yagambira abanyisinjiro kwebizo byabo bihikire mukuru w'ihanga kandi ko barukuza kukoraho ombwire butaro bwahari.
All the challenges you raised on the day of that celebration, I extended them to His Excellency the President. And together with all the leaders of Isingiro and the leaders present here, we shall all work towards achieving and fulfilling those challenges.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ian Kankwasa omuri isinjiro.